Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a quick video with how to change the battery for the Casio aq-230. We need a plain screwdriver. So what we do, we just, let me see if I can manage to do this a bit closer. We just have to put under the back of the watch and just pull it back. There's no screwdrivers for this watch. It's just coming out nice and simple. There we go. So I got the battery as well. So what we do, we need to pull up the I think it's a battery safe. So with the screwdriver, we just pull it up. And now the only thing what we have to do is to put the battery in place. There we go. We just have to push the battery case back, and as we can see, nice and running. So only what we have to do now is pull the back. We just have to push that down. It's no screwdriver, as I said from the beginning. It's nice and easy. You just have to press them down, and that's it. It's in the place. And there we go. Nice and running. I did a video with how to set the time up for this watch. Gonna let the link below. There we go. So it is 3 minutes to 11. I'm gonna try to quickly set the time up. Minutes. $10:57. $24 hours. Done. The only thing we'll have to set up is the analog digital time. We do that very quick as well. By pressing the button from the right side. If we keep that pressed, we see the hands are moving. How are we gonna manage to do it by 11? nearly there. We're gonna do 1 minute past 11. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching.